Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD running slow and laggy using the easy method. This is a great way to boost your performance on your design session so you can draw your plans without any frustrating jumps or pauses. Let's get into it. Step 1. Turn off the heavy visual effects and smooth lines options. You need to open your main program options panel and turn off the fancy line smoothing features that look pretty but take up way too much computer power. Type the word Options on your keyboard, hit Enter to open the big settings box, click on the tab marked Display, and click the Graphics Performance button to uncheck the Extra Smooth Lines box. Turn off any options for complex shadows or texturing details and click the Save button at the bottom. This is a smart move because the computer spends a lot of time trying to make every curved line look perfectly soft and round on your monitor. By turning off these heavy visual decorations, you give the program a break, allowing it to flash your shapes onto the screen instantly. It ensures your machine focuses all its strength on speed instead of high-level decoration. Step 2. Clear out and purge your unused layer files. Now you need to run a deep cleanup command inside your active drawing to sweep away hidden trash data and forgotten blocks that are making your file size too heavy. Type the word Purge directly into your main command line, hit your Enter key, click the big button that says Purge All Items, and wait for the system to clear the list for the fix. Keep clicking the Purge button until the text line fades out, meaning every single piece of invisible clutter is completely wiped out of your active file. This is the most important part, because files can easily get bogged down with old styles, empty layers, and blocks from older projects that you don't even use anymore. By running this deep sweep, you shrink the total weight of your working file dramatically. It is the key step to getting the right output, because a smaller file opens faster, saves quicker, and moves without lagging your mouse. Step 3. Audit and repair hidden errors in your file. The final step is to run a quick diagnostic check on your blueprint to find and patch any broken code lines that might be causing the program to freeze while you work. Type the word Audit on your keyboard, hit Enter, type the letter Yes for yes when the system asks if you want to fix errors, and let the computer run its quick repair scan. Read the bottom log to make sure the text shows that all found errors have been successfully brought down to 0. This is the final step because hidden glitches and broken pathways inside your file can cause the program to stall or crash out of nowhere. Once you finish running this repair scan, your file will be perfectly clean and tuned for speed. Now your workspace will move smoothly. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD running slow and laggy, you must first turn on your hardware acceleration switch at the bottom. Then you open your options panel to turn off heavy visual effects and smooth lines. Next, you use the command line to purge all your unused layer files and reduce your file size. Finally, you run a quick audit to find and repair hidden file errors completely. This straightforward plan makes sure your business projects are smooth and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.